Pin. Pinho. Pin di Sara, pin di Kutsilyo di Armasin, how di Karabaw di Batutin. Sayang pula, isang pera, sayang puti, isang salapi, sakay sa barko di lamita, boom!
I get busy with him. I'm enjoy with him. We are doing here at the house alone, me and him. My husband is out, and we are watching iPad. After watching iPad, we go outside, walk our garden. We have already flowers in my garden. It's beautiful, the lily, and I'm watering my garden with dancing with my grandson. And after that, we go to the clinic for the checkup of my husband with him. So we're waiting the doctor until my husband is okay. We wait the result for his laboratory test. And after that, we go back home. Then we drop him to his parents, and next week he will come back with his brothers for dinner.